Ever feel a nagging tiredness in your eyes? In our digital age, this is a common sentiment. Spending hours on end in front of screens, whether for work or leisure, takes a toll on our eyes, leading to strain and fatigue. But what if I told you there's a way to alleviate this discomfort? Today, we're diving into a guide designed to bring relief to your tired eyes. We'll walk through 10 easy exercises that you can do anywhere, anytime. These exercises are not just practical, they're also backed by science, designed to relax your eyes, improve your focus, and ultimately reduce eye fatigue. From eye rolling to eye flexing, from blinking to bouncing, from eye pressing to eye massage, and finally to shifting focus and palming, we've got you covered. Each of these exercises takes less than a minute to perform, but the benefits can last a lifetime. Now let's kick off with the first exercise, which is eye rolling. Eye rolling is a simple exercise that can help relieve eye strain. To start, sit comfortably and keep your head still. Now, imagine a clock in front of your eyes. Look up as if you're looking at 12 o'clock, then slowly roll your eyes to 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and so on until you reach 12 again. That's one complete eye roll. You're not just randomly moving your eyes here, but following a path. This helps improve eye flexibility and coordination. Do this 5 times in a clockwise direction, and then 5 times counterclockwise. Why is this important? Well, in our digital world, our eyes are working overtime. We're constantly focusing on screens, which can cause fatigue and strain. Eye rolling helps to counteract this by working out the muscles that control eye movement, reducing fatigue. Remember, practice makes perfect. Now on to the next exercise, eye flexing. Eye flexing is a great way to stretch your eye muscles and reduce strain. Here's how to do it. Start by finding a comfortable place to sit where you won't be disturbed. Now, look straight ahead, then slowly move your gaze as far to the right as you can without turning your head. Hold this position for a few seconds, then slowly move your gaze to the far left. Repeat this exercise a few times, taking care to move your eyes smoothly and slowly. The magic of eye flexing lies in its simplicity, yet it's incredibly effective. It helps to strengthen the eye muscles and increase flexibility. This exercise can also improve your eye's ability to focus, which can be especially beneficial for those of us who spend a lot of time staring at screens. With consistent practice, these exercises can truly make a difference. Next up, we have blinking. Our next exercise is blinking, which can help moisturize your eyes and reduce dryness. Simple as it may seem, blinking is a powerful tool in maintaining eye health. This natural act spreads tears across the surface of the eyes, keeping them smooth and clear. It's an action we do subconsciously, but consciously incorporating it as an exercise can make a world of difference. Let's delve into the blinking exercise. Begin by closing your eyes for 2 seconds, then open them for another 2 seconds. Repeat this cycle for about a minute. It's a simple rhythm: close, open, close, open. This practice helps to refresh your eyes, alleviating any strain or dryness you might be experiencing. Incorporating blinking exercises into your daily routine can tremendously improve your ocular health. They are a quick, easy, and effective way to combat eye fatigue. Blinking is an easy yet powerful exercise for your eyes. Now let's transition to bouncing. Bouncing is a fun exercise that can help improve eye coordination. Let's dive right into it. To perform the bouncing exercise, imagine a ball bouncing from one corner of your eye to the other. Your eyes should follow the imagined ball as it bounces up and down, left and right. This exercise is more about your eyes' movement rather than straining them. The benefits of this exercise for eye health and coordination are manifold. Firstly, it helps to strengthen the muscles that control your eye movements, improving both your eye coordination and focus. Secondly, it can also help to alleviate eye strain, particularly if you spend a lot of time in front of a screen. Remember, these exercises should never cause discomfort. If you experience any discomfort, stop the exercise immediately. Bouncing is an engaging way to keep your eyes active and healthy, and with regular practice, you'll notice an improvement in your eye coordination. Now let's move on to eye pressing. Eye pressing can be a great exercise to relieve eye strain. It's a simple exercise that can be done anywhere, anytime. Here's how to do it. Start by closing your eyes gently. Then, using your index and middle finger, press gently on your eyelids. Be careful not to press too hard, as this could cause discomfort. Hold this pressure for about 10 seconds, then release. Repeat this process 3 to 5 times. This exercise can be beneficial in several ways. By applying gentle pressure, you're stimulating the production of tears, which can help lubricate and soothe dry eyes. This pressure can also help to relax the muscles around your eyes, reducing strain and fatigue. Furthermore, eye pressing can stimulate blood flow to the eyes, which can help to nourish the cells and promote healthier vision. So the next time you're feeling a bit of eye strain, give eye pressing a try. Eye pressing is a great way to provide quick relief for your eyes. Next up, we have eye massage. Eye massage is a soothing exercise that can help improve blood circulation around your eyes. It's essentially a self-care routine that you can easily incorporate into your day, whether you're taking a break from work or winding down for the night. Start by washing your hands clean, then gently close your eyes. With your index and middle fingers, apply light pressure on your eyelids, moving in a circular motion. Do this for about 10 seconds, then gradually increase the time as you get more comfortable with the exercise. This method is not just about relieving eye strain, it's also about relaxation. As you're massaging, you might feel a sense of calmness washing over you. It's a moment to disconnect from the digital world and connect with your body. Eye massage is beneficial for our eye health, as it can aid in reducing puffiness, dark circles, and even fine lines around the eyes. So, it's not just about the eyes, but also about overall facial wellness. Eye massage can help in improving blood circulation. Now let's shift our focus to the next exercise. Shifting focus is a great exercise to improve your eyes' focusing abilities. This simple yet effective technique involves alternating your gaze between objects at different distances. Start by focusing on something close to you, then slowly shift your focus to an object further away. Repeat this process for a few minutes each day, and you'll begin to notice a difference in your ability to switch focus quickly and effectively. Shifting focus exercises not only improve your eyes' focusing abilities, but also help reduce eye strain. Spending long hours in front of a screen can take a toll on your eye health, causing discomfort and blurred vision. Regularly performing shifting focus exercises can counteract these effects, keeping your eyes healthy and sharp. Your eyes are like any other muscle in your body. The more you exercise them, the stronger they become. So, don't neglect these crucial parts of your body. Shifting focus can surely help in improving your eyes' focusing abilities. Now let's move on to our last exercise, palming. Palming is a relaxing exercise that can help reduce eye strain. It's a simple yet effective technique that you can do just about anywhere. Let's walk through it together. Start by rubbing your hands together to generate a bit of warmth. Now gently cup your palms over your closed eyes. Remember, don't press your eyes, just let your palms gently rest there. The warmth from your hands, coupled with the darkness, creates a soothing environment for your eyes. This exercise is designed to give your eyes a much-needed break, reducing strain from continuous screen time or reading. It's also a great way to relax your mind. By focusing on the darkness and the warmth, you're giving your brain a chance to slow down and unwind. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've given your eyes a lovely little spa break. Palming is a great way to end our eye exercise routine. But before we wrap up, let's have a quick recap. We've covered a lot of ground today, haven't we? Let's take a moment to recap. We started with the simple yet effective eye rolling, a gentle exercise that can help to relax your eye muscles. Moving on, we dove into eye flexing, an activity designed to increase flexibility and strength. We then explored blinking, a natural action that, when done mindfully, can provide a refreshing mini break for our eyes. Next, we bounced into the bouncing exercise, a fun way to increase circulation and reduce eye strain. Our journey continued with eye pressing, a technique to help relieve tension, followed by the soothing eye massage, which can help to alleviate stress around the eyes. Then we shifted gears with shifting focus, an exercise to train our eyes to quickly adjust between different distances and light conditions. Finally, we concluded with palming, a relaxing method to rest and recalibrate our eyes. Remember, consistency is key. With these exercises, you can give your eyes the much-needed break they deserve. Stay healthy and keep those eyes bright.